Just a reminder lang to my fellow travelers dyan na sikat na naman tayo dito sa Taiwan. So, tourist injured after being hit by train in New Taipei. So, familiar kayo dito sa lugar na yan. Alam ko, dito tayo nagpapalipad ng yung mga lanterns and may dumadaan na trains. And yes, isa pong Pinay ang natamaan ng train dahil sa pag-picture-picture. So, make sure lang to avoid this kind of incidents. Follow yung rules. So, kung may dadaan na train, alam nyo naman na off limits to. Para iwas sa bala, diba? Para hindi kayo masaktan or anything. Ayan. So, free visa tong Taiwan. So, huwag natin gawing reason na naman sa kanila para bigyan tayo ng visa requirements. So, ingat tayo lahat and happy travels! If you are a solo traveler like me, I will share my journey every day. Make sure to follow.